Alright, so the first thing we're going to do here is, on this one, or I should say the next thing, since we already started on this one, we're going to go just copy. And on it, I just copy down the thickness of this object from there to there. And that's got that in. Or you can just copy it down 1/2 of an inch or thickness, however you want to do that. So copy, again that line, that ellipse, and that line. Straight down on our object is 1/2 inch thick, so I'm going to do it just like so. Then, to finish this one up, I'm going to do a line from that corner to that corner, and from there to there. And that one's done. Next, on our other one. Our next one's going to look like this. It has a large circular end, which has a radius of 1, a large diameter of 1 hole. That's just centered up on that side, 1 inch over and 1 inch up. So this is really kind of one of the simpler ones of these. So we're going to go back to our drawing here. I always start with just a layout line from the top center to the top bottom. And left to right. I'm not in the line command for whatever reason. Alright, there we go. And I'm going to go ellipse, I for isocircle. And start my first one at a 1 inch radius. Do my next one at a diameter of 1. And then trim off. On this one I like to get rid of some of that confusion again, so I'm just going to trim off a bunch of this stuff and erase out a few things. So there we go. That's got that portion of it. Now for this I need the thickness of it going back, so I'm going to copy that back in that direction, so I have to hit my F5 back there at 1/2 of an inch. And once again I'm just going to trim off that and get rid of that piece. From there, all these outside lines are going to turn into object lines. And over here, obviously this line's going to be trimmed off there. But that's not the end of it, because we do need a line that goes across here, because you're not going to even see this little portion over here that dips down there. So here you're going to have a line that goes from the quadrant to the quadrant. And you'll trim off that, and then make that line an object line. Okay, this drawing's all done except for this hole out here. This hole out here is actually large enough that you can see the thickness of that hole. What I mean by that is you're going to copy this hole, you're going to copy it back again in that direction, and you're going to copy it back there 1/2 of an inch, 0.5. And you can see that thickness. So now we're just going to come in here and trim up those two lines. And we got that thickness of the hole shown there. Looks like we do have this one line here that's still on a layout layer. So we'll change it to an object line. And there, that drawing is done. To finish this one up, you're obviously going to fill in your title block. It's called ISO holes. And you're going to zoom out there on it, get to make sure that everything's nicely centered. If your drawing looks like this, that's not too bad. If your drawing's like this, you know, obviously that's not centered up very good and you don't have anything in this whole space you're drawing. There, that looks nice. That's centered up there nicely and that'd be great. Alright, carry on. Good luck.